everyone, today I'll show you how I created this orange and reddish eye makeup look. So watch the full video to know how I created this. At first I'll be using this color to create my crease by using a crease brush. Now I'll be using this orange color and the same brush that I've used earlier to create my crease, and I'll do this procedure as long as I get my desired color. Now I'll be using this dark orange color and the same brush that I have used earlier and do the same procedure on my crease to create a transition of colors. And now I'll be using a blending brush to blend all the colors that I have used. Now I'll be using this concealer to create a half cut crease. Now I'll be using this color to define my crease. And now I'll be using this dark red color and brownish color on my crease and outer part of my eyelids. Now I'll be using this orange shimmer color in the contour part of my eyelids. Now I'll be using this dark red and brownish color in my crease and outer part of my eyelids to define my eye makeup look. And now I will apply mascara. Now I'll be using orange and dark red color underneath my eyelashes by using a small defined brush. And now I'll be applying highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes with the same brush. Now I will apply the same highlighter underneath my brow bone. So here is the final look. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my channel.